Hello! Hello everybody!
Wow. The intensity of the perfume and the smell, it's incredible. Yeah, apparently they gave us this
The whole apartment.
apartment.
Winter close up, summer close down, here in the desert of Iran. When he took over Vera, she was showing too much. It's now time to continue.
Let's go. We are Aldo, Vera and Toto. For over 5 years, we have been driving around the world with our self-converted tiny home on wheels, and we visited more than 50 countries on 5 continents. Next destination, Africa. Through our videos, we show how beautiful, but at the same time, how fragile our planet is, hoping to raise awareness about environmental concerns and inspire people to take action. Subscribe to our channel. Enjoy our adventure. One of the things that struck us most while listening to our travelers' friends' stories about Iran is the peculiarity of being able to admire, just for a few weeks each year, the roses in the desert.
Iran is the best producer of rosewater in the world. Here they have been distilling this flower for over 1,000 years, and every spring the famous Rosewater Festival is celebrated in the region of Kashan. For hours we venture off the beaten track in search of these famous rose gardens in bloom, with the hope of meeting a rosewater producer in person. Thanks to our perseverance and even a pinch of luck, we end up in front of one of the largest rosewater factories in Iran, which even exports overseas. We are immediately greeted by the owner and his daughter, who speaks good English and is very happy to be our guide.
This beautiful lady is called Sepide, and she's the daughter of the owner of this factory of rosewater.
And she has a very good English.
Rosewater, herbal distillate, and some natural acids.
And she's taking us for a tour in the factory.
Yes, welcome.
And what do you do with this rosewater?
Rosewater is
what?
really beneficial for skin. It's really soothing, and in dessert and some food.
The rosewater you produce?
Yes, it's
No,
really natural and
chemicals.
pure. On that salon, and I mentioned,
Yeah.
Rosewater moved to this salon for packaging.
Wow. Each bag weighs about 40 kilos, and every day tons of rose petals arrive here from different gardens scattered around the region. With the help of an electric winch, a large bag is lowered down into a cavity and filled with hundreds of kilos of rose buds. The intensity of the perfume and the smell, it's incredible. All the air, it's full of smell of roses. Each load like this, it's about 600 kilograms of roses.
Once everything has been weighed, the sack is transported to one of the large boilers that during these weeks work around the clock, distilling thousands of liters of rosewater daily. With the simple motion of untying the rope attached to the top, the roses plummet to the bottom, releasing an explosion of perfume from the steam that quickly rises to the surface. Wow! The huge kettles are then hermetically sealed and the distillation process begins. For about 3 hours, the roses are subjected to high-pressure steam, and about 1 liter of rose water per kilo of flowers comes out of this giant still. With the much lower yield and undoubtedly very valuable is the extract of rose oil. This essence is used in medicine, perfume and cosmetics, and to call it liquid gold is more than appropriate. Just think that in 2019, 1 kilo of gold was cheaper to buy than 1 kilo of rose oil. We have the chance to smell a little of it freshly distilled. The sensation is something hard to describe.
The roses. Like this? The smell of a pure rose oil, it's so strong, but it blurs your senses.
completely unexpectedly, we've been invited by the owner of the Rosewater factory.
Actually, by his daughter.
And the daughter came.
At least we can communicate in
She
English.
speaks very good English.
Yes, and
So we
they
hope-
insisted. We didn't want to bother
we are
because
completely unprepared.
yeah, but we couldn't refuse such a nice invitation. And hopefully we can even try some rose water at their house.
Yeah. Okay, so basically we arrived here and we thought this was going to be the place where we were all going to be staying together, but actually they told us to just rest, right?
Yeah, apparently they gave us this
The whole apartment.
to
That's with
rest
the
and
kitchen.
and stay and
It's incredibly beautiful.
we are speechless. It's beautiful and
The welcoming of the Iranian
Wow.
people, honestly, what a nice family.
wow. They are so adorable and they are so welcoming and so innocent and so generous, and it's incredible, friendly, and the level of hospitality it's
Second to no other place we've been in the world.
it's just amazing.
This is a huge balcony and we see the mountains. Look at this. Complete peace and tranquility.
It's 7 a.m. We slept wonderfully. It was very peaceful here, not one car passing by.
You can see this in our smashed faces.
Yeah.
We're still sleepy and tired, but the desire to see the roses in the field is higher.
Yeah, soon we're gonna go to pick up the roses and I think you can wait.
Yeah.
We're here, nice and cool.
We arrive at one of Sepide's gardens.
In Iran, we say this Rosa Damascena Gole Mohammadi, okay?
Gole
Mohammadi, yes.
Mohammadi.
It's famous to this name.
Look at
smells.
this. Wow, look at this beauty. Wow. Yeah, that's
The voice of bird. I adore the voices of birds.
Women's paradise.
The enveloping scent of roses and the singing of birds takes us into another dimension.
And all around, the desert.
Picking up the Rosa Damascena.
This, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
And it is really good. Before sun rising, we must have picked up due to spread their natural essence.
So how you do it? So you
Yes.
basically go like this?
And some people
and you
easier.
Pick it like this, huh?
Yes, yes.
But it's good, isn't she?
Look, I can do it with one hand.
Here.
So these roses, this afternoon, they will become rose water, right? They take
نگاه
it.
کن میگه که بعد از ظهر میشینید گل.
آره تا بعد دیشب پریشب تا 8 شب اینجا بودیم.
2 days ago,
Yeah,
they pick up
yeah.
until 8 p.m.
Wow.
Yes,
Wow.
the amount of rose water was really
A lot.
To pick
Yes,
up.
yes.
Otherwise,
Yes,
it's go.
yes.
I see.
But so basically, he either brings it tonight, this afternoon, or tomorrow to your factory to make rose water.
Yes.
How it's traditional way?
In a small
Small?
brown machine, yeah?
Wow.
In a small
With
bit-
fire, I think.
Wow. Cool.
Yes. It's really different from industrial. Didn't you watch?
No, we wanted
We
to see,
wanted
yeah.
also.
Yeah.
This is the traditional way of making the rose water. We understood from the owner that basically in each copper boiler they put 45 kilograms of roses and 70 liters of water. And the final product is 45 liters of rose water. So ratio 1:1. And this is the waste remaining from the process of making the rose water. And they use it as a fertilizer. This is our wonderful friend Sepide.
Hello! Hello, everybody!
And I wanted to thank her and her wonderful family for this beautiful day
That's
spent
kind of you,
together.
really.
Thank you for hosting us. Thank you for showing us all the process of how the
Thank you for you.
roses grows and how the rose water is made, and thank you for dedicating your precious time to us.
Honey.
We really appreciate this. Also, guys, I wanted to share
You're
with
welcome.
you Sepide is also an artist, and for example, this painting she did when she was 17 years old. And I would like to encourage you and motivate you to continue pursuing your dream, because you really have a talent.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for
That's
this
kind of you. That's
wonderful.
kind of you.
Thank you so much, and
Lovely couple.
Thank-
This was an honor for us.
and for us also. And we will be waiting for you in Italy,
Acquaintance with you, it's really an honor for us.
and for us.
It's
too.
an honor for us. Winter close up, summer close down, here in the desert of Iran. We are going to visit Kashan.
But first, we need to top up our phone. Wrong store is this one. This ice cream is delicious. It's with rose water, white chocolate, and pistachio.
How much does it cost?
It costs 60,000 reales, which is, wow, like
Wait.
15 cents?
20 cents.
يا عظيم العفو يا حسن التجاوز يا واسع المغفرة يا باسط اليدين بالرحمة يا صاحب كل نجوى ويا منتهى كل شكوى يا كريم السعف يا عظيم المن يا مبتدئا بالنعم قبل استحقاقها يا رباه يا سيدا يا غاية رغبتان
Very good. We cooled down a little bit. It's now time to continue.
Let's go.
What you doing, amore? Shopping?
Yeah, a bit of fruit. They have very good smell, and also the price is good.
How cool are these motorbike bags? Simple, easy to fit, and also beautiful.
And they are good also for the bikes.
موسى ومحمد بن علي وعلي بن محمد والحسن بن علي والحجة بن الحسن
God just passed. We are at the Aha Borzok Mosque. To make a picture, maybe two.
We need to cover Vera. She was showing too much. Oh, Vera there, she found the best seat in the house. What do you think?
Best views. It's really a beautiful mosque. But it's too hot, it's 2 p.m., so everybody's hiding. That's why we're alone.
The GPS navigator decides to take us on a diversion through the old city of Kashan. Toto barely manages to get through the narrow streets with the walls made of adobe, a material composed of clay, sand and straw, which keeps the houses warm in winter and cool in summer. We end up in a dead alley anyway and have to back up.
Freda.